It better if I had stayed in Jamaica, because at least in Jamaica certain of these stuff that I'm experiencing, no, I would have never gone through them. Traumatized, guys, petrified, horrified. And one of the first experience I encounter is when a person saw me and say, "Yo, monkey, what are you doing here?" No, I am looking back to see if there is a monkey on my back, or there is a person with a monkey behind me. The guy said to me, "I'm talking to you, you are the monkey. Jamaican monkey, go back to Jamaica. We don't want no Jamaican monkey up here." I said, "You got to be kidding me. This guy really called me a Jamaican monkey?" I finally say, "Yo, what is going on in this country? Somebody just called me the N-word about 20 times in the space of a minute." My wife said, "Yes, it's gonna happen. You're gonna encounter such stuff because there are people like that up here." I said, "What? You're joking, right?" She said, "No, white fellas." And when I passed, I felt a hand grab me on my ass and say, "You black guy look sexy." I said, "What?" "Yeah, you black guy, you look so sexy. Won't you come on with us, black guy?" I said, "You're joking, right?" I said, "Yo, get out of here, man." He said, "No, you look so strapping and sexy. Come on with us, we will take care of you." I said, "What?" Thanks again, guys, for tuning in. And if it's this year's first time tuning into the channel, remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, hit that post notification bell, that whenever I drop a video, you won't miss it. So guys, hear this. The other day I said to my wife, if I knew that I was gonna experience all of these stuff in the United States, I would have never agreed to come to America. I would have never leave my sweet, sweet Jamaica and come to this country. Yeah, I was so shocked and so flabbergasted, and I said to her, I said, "Yo, it better if I had stayed in Jamaica, because at least in Jamaica certain of these stuff that I'm experiencing, no, I would have never gone through them." Traumatized, guys, petrified, horrified, because of some stuff I went through since I came to America. So yes, guys, after my wife met me in Jamaica and brought me to the United States, I thought that all worries would be over, all trials and tribulation. I was going to the land of milk and honey, going to the glorious land, the land where there is no trouble, the land of endless opportunity. Man, rude awakening, guys. Rude awakening I got when I came to America. And one of the first experience I encounter is when a person saw me and say, "Yo, monkey, what are you doing here?" No, I am looking back to see if there is a monkey on my back, or there is a person with a monkey behind me. The guy said to me, "I'm talking to you, you are the monkey. Jamaican monkey, go back to Jamaica. We don't want no Jamaican monkey up here." I said, "You got to be kidding me. This guy really called me a Jamaican monkey?" I said, "What?" So I'm there saying, hold on, this guy is on something. So I said, "Wow, is this America?" So I went home and I said to my wife, I said, "Darling, I had this encounter with this individual. I did the person nothing, and out of the blues, The person say, yo, monkey, what are you doing here? Jamaican monkey, go back to Jamaica. We don't need a Jamaican monkey in America. I say, what is going on? My wife said to me, yeah, you're gonna encounter that up here. I said, what? I have never been called a monkey in all of my life being in Jamaica. But being called that in America was surprising. So my wife said, yes, you're gonna encounter such stuff. You're gonna encounter some people like that. So I said, wow, I never expect that. So I said, okay, I got over it, guys. I dust off myself, move on, pick up myself and continue on the journey. Couple weeks after, I was passing by this location. This person said, hey, use the N-word. I said, what you doing in this part of the community? We don't want no N round here. We don't allow N to come round in these parts. You lost N? I said, what is going on? I have never been called the N-word in all my life, but being in America, this guy used the N-word about 20 times in space of a minute. Believe it, guys. So I went home to my wife and I said, yo, what is going on in this country? Somebody just called me the N-word about 20 times in the space of a minute. My wife said, yes, it's gonna happen. You're gonna encounter such stuff because there are people like that up here. I said, what? You're joking, right? She said, no. I said, hold on. Why didn't you tell me all of these stuff before I came to America? Because in Jamaica, I never encountered these stuff before. She said, yes, you're gonna experience them. So I said, hold on, man. Hold on. So guys, I brushed myself off, continue back on the journey. I say, okay, just part of life. Maybe it's over. That was the last of it. Guys, believe it or not, one day I was walking on the street. I passed these guys. They were smiling, these white fellas. And when I passed, I felt a hand grab me on my ass and say, you black guy look sexy. I said, what? Yeah, you black guy, you look so sexy. Won't you come on with me? Come on with us, black guy. I said, you're joking, right? I said, yo, get out of here, man. He said, no, you look so strapping and sexy. Come on with us, we will take care of you. I said, what? Guys, I had to take away myself. So I went home and I said to my wife and I said, what is going on? This guy saw me passing and grabbed me on my ass and talking about, oh, you're so sexy, you should come on with us. I said, what's going on? My man never approached me in Jamaica before like that, much less grab me on my ass and talk about sexy. Something is going on, man. I said, then hold on. You mean to tell me, say, all of them something in here go on up here and you never give me a heads up to let me know what I'm getting into? Like, what is going on? So me said to her, I said, no sir, we not used to them or something here. Then she said to me, say, Manix, if you choose to live in America, there are certain ways of life and there are certain stuff that you're gonna have to adjust to. And unfortunately, some things are like, some of them are unfortunately, some of the stuff that you encounter is just natural occurrence every day. So you just got to adjust yourself to it. Stay out of certain people's way and live your life, because it's not gonna change. And I say, you're joking, right? She said, no, that's how the way it is. I say, you got to be kidding me. She said, no, seriously, you just got to know how to conduct yourself. When you see trouble coming your way, you take away yourself from it, because this is America and it is what it is. Then guys, I thought it was over, brush off myself and start on the journey again. I thought it was over till one day I went in the supermarket, went shopping, and I was in the line with my groceries, ready to check out at the cashier line, and this white lady in front of me said, move, I don't want your food stuff to touch mine because you are black. I said, what? She said, matter of fact, I need to get out of this line. I don't want your kind against me. I said, you got to be kidding me. I said, lady, what did I do you? She said, I don't like your kind. I'm getting out, you're too close to me. I don't want to be around you black people. You black people are dangerous. Get away from me, get away from me. You're gonna rob me, get away from me. And I'm looking and say, what is going on? Till the cashier and the cashier had to call the manager in the supermarket to come over to talk to the lady. Said, you cannot be disrespected. Everybody have a right to be in the supermarket. Why are you violating the man's rights like that? The lady was still adamant. I don't want him beside me. I need to get my stuff and go to another cashier, which she did, because she reserved the right to do so. But I was shocked. I was shocked, guys. Never felt so humiliated in all my life. Even the prior experiences could not compare to what I encountered on this particular day. No, I didn't even wait to go home to talk to my wife about it. I called her and I said, darling, you know this, I have this encounter in the supermarket right now. This lady said that I should move from against her. She don't want my food to touch her. I'm contaminating her. We black people are no good. We are dangerous. And I said, seriously? She said, Manix, just come home. When I came home, I said, yo, man, I want to go back to Jamaica, man. That's what I told her, guys. I seriously wanted to go back home to Jamaica because never encounter such individuals in my life. Honestly, seriously, this one now was the one that let me feel so bad in myself. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it, guys. So, you know, there's a lot of immigrants or people that leave their country come to America. And not only America alone, but everywhere else that have to encounter some racial prejudicial treatment from some people that are unheard of, you know. But one thing my wife encouraged me that, you know, this is how it is in America, and you have to adjust yourself to it. You know, I have been through my share. A lot of people have been through it also. You are no different. It's just that you are just catching up to what's going on. But I said, why didn't you tell me all of these stuff? Because if you had told me all of these stuff that's going on, I don't think I would have take that plane and came to America. Unbelievable, guys. One call me monkey. One grab me on the ass and say, you're a sexy black guy. One said that she don't want my food to contaminate her food. And all of this crazy stuff. Now it's a lot for an individual to go through. But it's crazy, guys. It is crazy. It is crazy. And it didn't stop, guys. It didn't stop. It even continued. It hasn't stopped. But sometimes, guys, you have to just like kind of understand your surrounding. Know what is going on around you, because I was so shocked, guys. It was crazy. But you know, my wife encouraged me, even though my wife never educate me about all of these stuff and keep me updated on the changing times, that the Jamaican culture and American culture is totally two different things. But you know, she keep on encouraging me that, Manix, this is it, man. This is what some of the things that you're gonna encounter living in America. So you just have to know how you adjust yourself to the new way of life, and don't let it get to you, because what is happening to you, you are not special. It happened to me. It happened to a lot of people. It is happening to a lot of people now, and it's going to happen to a lot of people. So you are not special. Just adjust yourself to it, to the changes, and know how to conduct yourself around certain people. When certain conversation is brought up, know how to handle yourself, how to conduct yourself, because sometimes conversation like those don't work out well, especially for you. So just know how to conduct yourself. Yeah, crazy, guys, crazy. But you know, I learned over the years that, you know, it is the way how things are, or the way how things is, and certain stuff you cannot change it. You just have to just work with this the best way you can. But thank God for my wife, who every day she motivate me, encourage me, strengthen me, and say, yo, don't let those stuff bother you or keep you down or trouble you. Just keep focused, press on, do what you have to do. You know why you're here, so do what you got to do, and keep a focused mind and a steady hand and a steady mind, and do your thing. Yes, guys, so I encourage any of my brothers and sisters that you just came to quote unquote first world countries, and you're going through a lot of stuff, experiencing some stuff with some individuals. Don't let it get to you, man. Don't let it burden you down. Just be focused and be vigilant, and have a steady mind, man. We just got to just be vigilant of what's going on around us, you know, and ask for the protection of God upon our life as you go out and come in every day. All right? So bless up yourself, guys. Thanks again for tuning in to Manix Robinson TV. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, post notification button, that whenever I drop a video, you won't miss it. Have a good one.